don't know shit about town.
That's what I was thinking.
He's running around here.
It's far.
Is it?
It's literally almost right up. That's a freaking mountain right there.
All right, let's do it. Yeah. Oh, there's a fat drop right here. Hit the stairs. Hit the stairs and then go right. Yeah, I would say my link is fixed. He's so good at wheelies on a DRZ. Yeah, it's hard to get used to. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Sorry, I'm sitting. Oh, that's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Whose idea was this? I just sealed my controller thing too, so my not my controller but my display. So it's good test. This is ridiculous! I love it! Oh my god, I'm so wet! And we have so much more to go, at least 20 more minutes. Go 5 miles an hour the whole time. There's not enough light. I haven't been here in so long, I don't remember where it goes. I used to bang this in my Miata back in the day, like 10 years ago. Wide open. Oh, sticks! I think there's a fat stretch right here. I remember. Nope! Oh, no, nope, 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 nope. That's the wall. I think it's coming up though. Stu's never gonna ride with us again. If Cameron came, he would never ride with us ever again. Alright, let's get to the lookout, take some pictures. Oh, snap it! I look down and look at my speed and I got a little scared. Oh my good God. Oh. Hey, it's not raining over here.
Dude, I couldn't see shit. I fucking contacted. I have such bad eyesight. Don't things go out there? I have to like I'm so I was going one eye at a time in case it flew out. Like, I think I know the street. Yeah, you don't have a fender on the back. I don't have the front one.
Yeah, I'd rather have the front than the rear. I'm ready to get out of the woods. Ready to go home. Well, I didn't know it was going to be raining up there either. So, we all agreed on it. You guys followed into the rain. Stu doesn't have contacts on, so he has no idea where he's at or who he's with.
They didn't fall out. They're just moving around.
Oh,
in my eye.
Damn. I was getting blasted, dude. It looked like Star Wars. We made it back. No one died. All right, I'm at like 37%. What are you at?
19.
What are you at? 33? What are you at?
16.
Woo! Tyler, coming in hot.
It's his age.
Ryan, what are you at?
16.
Damn, I was catching up to you, dude. Because I was ahead of you.
Yeah.
Man, you were going so slow too. I don't know how you ate so much.
Yeah. I was going slow because I wanted to be better.
Well, it didn't work.
And I felt like I was getting shit.
Dude, my back tire was sliding everywhere around the turn.
No?
That shit is scary on this thing.
Dude, that was so fun. So we did tankless with Ryan when he had his pedal bike, and he did the whole thing. Me and Cameron were on the electric assist one, and then we did it with his DRZ, and then my FTR 1200, and he was sliding all over the place.
Yeah, fuck that.
That was fun, guys. I don't regret it, but I wish we didn't do it. We should have listened to Stu and left town.
Yeah.
So I need a new fender, Ryan, please.
Me too.
I gotta redesign it.
If it's a good design, I think it just needs to be a little thicker.
Yeah, I can make it thicker easily.
But the rear shock didn't blow up. Thank goodness I had the good triangle, because that probably would have failed as well. The billet triangle. Don't buy your parts off of eBay.
Yeah, I could have told you that. Just don't do a huck to flat. 7 shit.
And if you weigh 250 pounds, don't huck it to
I
flat.
have the same exact weightage. Yeah, you're...
Yeah, but you weigh like 2 stone. Just throw all kinds of measurements. What are you, like 2 miles? All right, guys. See you in the next one. That was horrible. I gotta redo that. Come on. On that one, see you in the next one. Yeah.